In this video, I will show you the best AI article writer that complies Google's EEAT guideline. By the way, I hope you know about Google's EEAT guideline. You can search just Google's EEAT. In the first link, you will find where Google explained what is EEAT and how it is very much important to rank your website, especially in the AI era. Anyway, this is the writer. You just click here. Of course, you will need to register and you write any article and you will see how it enforces Google's EEAT. I am showing you an article that was previously written. You know, EEAT is sharing the author's personal experience. If I search I, you see, when I walk, I notice, I can think, I feel more, I choose. It's like author is sharing his personal experience. I have found that you will write AI articles using other tools, it just writes. But Nanny article, you see, it writes complying Google's EEAT guideline as if the author is sharing his personal experience. By the way, the article writer tool is still writing. Yes, it has already written and published the article, and you see it's also used a lot of in 21 places. It has shared its personal experience. So this is the AI article writer tool that complies with totally Google's EEAT guideline. I have given the link in the description. Just try it and rank your website with Nanny article. Thank you for watching.